Hi, my name is Willie, and this is the Real Estate Project. This is where I talk about investing in all different types of real estate. Today I'm going to talk about land. Let's say you own some land or you recently purchased some land and you're getting it ready, you have it marketed for sale. What you're going to find out is that you're going to have a better chance of getting that parcel of land sold if you have the corners identified and marked. Because you got to think about it. I don't know if you're going to have a sign out at the property, but let's say you send somebody out there to go have a look at the property. They're driving out there, they see your sign, they stop, and then they're going to go, okay, it's 1 acre of land, or it's 2.5 acres of land, or it's 5 acres of land, or even 10 acres of land. They're not going to be able to really know the size of the parcel. And that's why I always recommend any investors that I work with to have somebody, unless you're able to do it yourself, go out to the property, locate the corners. They don't have to be exact. There's GPS software that you can use and get a generalized idea of where the corners are. And I think the GPS error allowance is like within 3 feet. So if you get a generalized idea of where the corners are, you just go out there, drop a wooden stake in the ground with some of that fluorescent ribbon, and then that way when you have your potential buyer out there at the property, and they say, okay, 1 acre of land, okay, this is where it is. Or let's say if it's 5 acres of land, they go out there and they'll see, as long as the corners are identified, marked with that fluorescent ribbon, they're going to say, okay, well, this is 5 acres. I like it. Let's go ahead and buy it. And that's pretty much how it is. I come across so many different people who buy land, real estate agents and everybody else, that will sell a property and don't have the corners identified. I worked with a couple from Los Angeles, and they were looking for 1 acre. I didn't have a 1 acre parcel, but I did have a half-acre parcel that was nearby where I was at. So I took them up to that and I showed them that, and they said, oh, that's 1 acre? I said, no, that's half an acre. And their thing was that, wow, that's more than enough for me, for our family. And they ended up buying it. So, take that as a tip. I'm in Southern California. If you're a landowner or an investor who is thinking about buying land or currently owns land and you want to get the corners identified, please contact me. I'm very reasonable in price, and I can even help you in getting your land sold. I can help you draft the deed for contract, purchase agreement. If you want to know more about the deed for contract, I'm going to be talking about that in other videos also. All right, thank you. Once again, my name is Willie, and this is the Real Estate Project. Bye-bye.